To plot the equation of x equals 2, we are going to find several points that the line of the equation passes through. But as you can see, this equation has only one variable, which is x, and it does not have y. So, the equation tells us that x is always 2, no matter what the value of y is. For example, when y is 1, x is 2. When y is 2, x is 2. And, when y is 3, x is 2. These tell us that the line of the equation passes through the points 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3. Now, let's plot these points in a coordinate system. Then, let's draw a line through these points and put arrows on both ends of the line. As you can see, the vertical line passes through the x-axis at 2, and it is the line of x equals 2.